word in verse 27. Na tata sanikarshena. Sanikarshena. Na tata. He's saying, I'm telling you to do this in the first two padas. And then to do that, if you want to do that, if you want to go worship if you want to worship a murti, or if you want to meditate on me, if you want to hear about me and chant, then you should go home. Pratiyata tatogrihan. That I recommend. Go home and do that. Because there's no murtis over here. You go home and you establish some murti. There's no murtis here on the bank of the Yamuna under the full moon. There's just me, Sakshat Krishna. And there's no kartals, mridangas here. You have to go home and do kirtan there. And so then Krishna says, Natata sanikarshena. He says, proximity, if you stay here so tightly with me, sanikarshena. Karsha means Krishna. We say Krishna means Krishna, all attractive. He attracts all. Krishna. So all attractive means Sankarshan. Sankarshan is one expansion of Krishna, Sankarshan. Mul Sankarshan. So he attracts all with his Lila Madhurya, his Prema Madhurya, his Vena Madhurya, and his Rupa Madhurya. Krishna played his Murli, which is so attractive and so sweet and deep and heart-stirring and heart-moving and mind-capturing and mind-enchanting and bewildering. And he pulled, Karshena means pull, attract. He pulled the gopis out of their homes. He pulled them away from their husbands. They were lying in beds with their husbands. They jumped up and ran out. Their husbands standing with clubs to beat them. They pushed the husbands aside and ran out, clutched in their hands. I couldn't stop them. They're holding their babies or their babies of their sisters or sister-in-laws. Dropped them on the floor, Haribol, and ran out. They were cooking, they were serving their husbands at the dinner table. Oh, they just dropped the spoon on his plate and ran out. That's pulling, attraction, forcibly attracted by the sound of Krishna's flute call, his love song, his clarion call, his invitation to the Ras Mandal, the celebration of love, eternal love, dancing forever with Krishna. That is called, it's not Karshan, it's not the all attraction, it's Sankarshan. It's not Sankarshan, it's Sanikesharnena. Sanikarshena. Sanikarshena. He did it. He pulled them in proximity to him. He pulled them away from everything. They dropped everything. All Varna connections, all ashram connections, they dropped everything. Sarva dharman prityaja. Parityaja. Complete, all sides tyag. Parityaja. Sarva dharman prityaja mam ekam. They're only one. Mam ekam sharanam. They're sharanagati. They're totally sharanagati. Man, kayo, mano, vakya, everything they surrender to Krishna's feet. Sanikarshina. They attain that proximity. But he's saying, what I just told you to do, this sadhana bhakti, you can't get that by staying near me. By physical proximity, there are many processes, the word means, by physical proximity, that's what the word. So, there's many processes, Krishna's telling, by which one can attain Krishna. However, the result of these processes is not the same as being directly with Krishna, in close proximity, like the Vraja Gopis, obviously. Who do you think's more advanced? Someone in a temple that's ringing bells and offering artik, or someone who's standing in front of Krishna under the full moon night? Obviously, the sadhana siddha gopis are perfected souls. Thus implied as the inner hidden meaning in Krishna's words is that the Braja Gopis should stay with him in the forest at night and not go back to the Pratiyata Tatogrihan. You should not go back. You're in close proximity with me, God. You made it. You have Sakshat Darshan. That is the perfection of sadhana. Sakshat Darshan. You may have Spurti and Bhav. But at the level of Prema, you can have Sakshat direct Darshan, eye-to-eye contact. Mouth to mouth, hand to hand. Hand to head, hand to hand, mouth to mouth, chest to chest. intimate contact with Krishna, even in sadhaka roop, in this very form that we're sitting here in today. That's the perfection of sadhana. To have close proximity of Krishna, to have darshanad of Krishna, to shravanad of Krishna. Shravanad, Krishna says, Shravanad, Darshana, Dhyanam, Mahi Bhavo, Anukirtanat. Shravanad means they're hearing. Are they hearing about Krishna? They're hearing directly from Krishna. He's speaking to them with love. So much love is implied in his statements which are externally appearing contrary and indifferent. But they're expressions of his Bhamya Bhav. They're expressions of Mahi Bhavo. Of his own Bhav, he's expressing, go home, which means stay. And follow your husbands, which means follow me. Go home and hear about me, which means listen to me here on the banks of Yamuna. Go home and do darshan. Go home and have darshan of your deity. Hello. Guess what? I'm your deity. Take my darshan, which you're having, saksha darshan. And go home and do dhyanam. Well, guess what? You've been meditating on everything I've said and wondering what I'm doing. You're already doing dhyan standing in front of me. And Mahi Bhavo. And your whole existence is full of Mahabhav. Whose Bhav? My Bhav. Mahi Bhavo. Your Mahabhav is for me. And Anukirtanat. You're always chanting my glories. And mentally right now you have so many things to say. In a few seconds you're going to do Anukirtanat. You're going to do Anukirtanat. You're going to reply, this yukti, prayukti, argument and counter-argument. You're going to counter all my arguments, defeat all my statements, and reveal by that the intensity and purity and extent of your love, exaltation of your pure Krishna prem, your immaculate love. And that way you're going to do Anukirtan. You're going to speak verse after verse after verse in what is called Pranaya Gita, from verse 31 to 41, whatever is coming up.